Hello， 大家好，我是王刚。本期视频我跟大家分享一道家常小炒——青椒肉丝。
Let's hit it. First, prepare 300 grams of pork tenderloin. Cut the pork into 3mm slices. Arrange the sliced pork into a roll and cut it into shreds. Cut the pork as thin as 3mm. This will make the finished dish look prettier. The next step is to clean the pork. Add some water into a bowl and rinse the pork in water. When you are done, squeeze the pork to remove water. Now is the time for marinating the pork. Add 1 gram of salt, a pinch of white pepper powder. Add light soy sauce 4 grams. Add 2 grams of dark soy sauce for coloring. Mix the seasonings evenly. Make sure the pork absorbed all the sauce. After mixing the seasonings, add 1 egg white and mix it well with the pork. The egg white should only be added after the pork is no longer watery. Otherwise, the sauce won't stick to the pork in stir-frying. Now add in potato starch that are equally amount as the egg white and mix them evenly. Finally, add some oil and mix them well to prevent the pork from sticking to each other during cooking. The next step is to prepare the side ingredients. Prepare 200 grams of green chili peppers. Wash them and remove the stems. Cut the peppers into thin slices. If you don't like spicy food, use bell pepper or sweet pepper as alternative. Smash and chop 20 grams of garlic into small pieces. Also smash and chop 20 grams of ginger into small pieces. First, warm up the wok. Add in some oil and then pour the hot oil out. Then add 40 grams of lard to melt. When the oil temperature reaches 120 Celsius, turn down the heat. Stir the pork until they are separated and cooked. When they change color, put them away for later steps. Add in some more lard and heat it up to 150 Celsius. Stir in the garlic and ginger. Turn down the heat. Stir the garlic and ginger until they are fragrant. Now I slice the green chili peppers. Turn to medium heat. Stir the pepper until it's no longer raw. Stir in the pork again. Stir fry for a bit, and then start the final seasoning. Add 1.5 grams of salt, 1 gram of MSG, a pinch of sugar to enhance the freshness. Stir in 3 grams of light soy sauce from the edge of the wok. Finally, add some scallion oil and quickly stir it a few times on medium-high heat. When the wok fumes coming out from the wok, it is time to plate. A delicious Chinese home-like shredded pork with green pepper is finished. Now let's review some key points. First, sliced pork must be washed before marinating. This will make the pork more tender. Second, use lard oil for more Chinese home-like flavors. Third, wait until the wok fumes coming up before you plate. This means that you have to cook the ingredients on high heat until you can see the heated air, but right before the ingredients are burnt. That's all. Hope you enjoy the best way to cook shredded pork with green pepper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Chef Wang's channel. Unlock the secret of Chinese kitchen. See you next dish.